Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn about Webview, how to use Webview in Android. So using Webview in Android, first come into activity underscore main.xml file and here remove text view and use relative layout instead of constraint layout. You can use constraint layout, but it is recommended to use relative layout. Use that relative layout and now come to here and use WebView. WebView is nothing but it is an extension of view classes which allow us to use web pages as the activity layout and give here some ID so that we can use it in our main activity.java file. Yes, WebView. Now initialize variable WebView private WebView web view. Yes, now initialize that web view in on create method. Web view use find view by id, find view by id r dot id dot the and use that id which used in activity underscore main dot xml file and here load url webview dot load url, provide the url that you want to load in your application. Here I'm using simply google.com which allow main homepage of Google and here set webview client to webview dot set webview client and new webview client. Yes, now webview client. Yes, now run the wait before running the app, please make sure that you use the internet permission in your android manifest.xml file. Here use uses permission or provide the permission which you want to use. Here we are using internet to access the net, so use internet. Now run the application. It's take time, so I'm fast forwarding this process. Yes, it's load. Open the app. So here we load our Google homepage. Now search an item. Here I'm searching Facebook. You can search anything and load that first URL. Facebook underscore. Yes. Here you can sign up, login, or use your Facebook account. But why you should use in emulator? That's fine. So you please make sure that you subscribe to channel and press that bell icon to get notified on every video we upload.